Hi everyone, thanks for watching. We're here today to introduce you to MicroREC. MicroREC is a revolutionary device that allows you to use any smartphone to virtually any microscope so that you can record your procedures on microscopes and slit lamps. This is MicroREC. MicroREC works with 4 different elements. The first one, the microscope attachment. The second one, the universal tube. The third is this little eyepiece that connects to the smartphone case. Everything attaches together so that you can record any procedure with your smartphone. MicroREC works with different smartphone cases that can be attached to various microscopes. We're currently working with Zeiss, Leica, and even Müllerwellen. MicroREC is more than just recording your procedures. You can transmit them live, store them on the cloud, or even post them on social media. MicroREC easily attaches to the microscope. First, screw the MicroREC on the microscope video output. Second, screw the eyepiece on the smartphone case. And third, install the smartphone on the MicroREC. During this cataract surgery, we are visualizing the procedure on a nearby television that is connected to an Apple TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit our webpage, customsurgical.co, and feel free to leave any comment or even contact us.